Now we're gonna go in with our stocking cap. Now go back in with our Stylist. Now that our cap is properly applied, we're gonna just camouflage our cap a little bit to blend it in with her skin more. So now we're going to apply our wig. So this wig has been previously installed before, so I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace. So we're just gonna do a little bit of plucking, and then we'll do the rest once the wig is applied with the glue. We're gonna just let the glue sit for a while. You want it to be not too clear, not too white. Okay, so now that our glue is ready, we're gonna just lay our lace.
Come on. Come on. Oh, y'all see what it is. All right, Diamond. Dial up time. Come on. Oh, we see you curling with the 613. That's right. Watch your work. Hair. Come on. Come on. Oh, y'all see the curls. You see the pattern? Oh, that's Diamond. Let's go to work, Diamond. Come on. What? Come on. Let's go to work. That's right. Oh, she refurbished that wig, you did. Come on. Pull it through. Pull it through. That's Diamond. Watch your work. Watch your work. Brush that hair. Come on. Come on. What? That's right, baby. A refurbished 613, you dig? Man, it's over a year old, and watch Diamond go to work. Come on. Bring it back. Bring it back to life. Come on. That's right. This is Diamond Dial, you dig? Doing her thing with Watch Me Work Hair. Come on. Come on. Come on. Watch her work hair.